dreams, in a place that perhaps you've seen in your dreams. For the story that you were about to be told began in holiday worlds of old. I know you're curious to see what's inside. It's what happens when two holidays collide. A holiday tale is a tale that's quite charming, but during this season, it's sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale about dear Sandy Claus.
Please drag your bodies away from the walls and lay them to rest in the dead center of the gallery.
Twas the nightmare before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning, would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads. Jack Skellington came here from Halloween time. You'll notice his handiwork scattered around. This year he's decided to play Sandy Claus. But when Halloween creates Christmas, you might see a few flaws. And now, a dark carriage will take you away. Sit back, rest in peace in the black Christmas sleigh. Your sleigh will accommodate one or two more. We hope you're prepared for what Jack has in store.
Ready to
good ghouls and boys must sit safe in their seats and keep in their sleigh all hands, arms, legs, or feet.
Si cuidas a tus niños, todo marchará felizmente. Los fantasmitos y fantasmitas deben quedarse en su asiento. Y en el cochecito mantener brazos, manos, piernas y pies adentro.
More rapid than vultures, the mansion was changed. All was soon covered, adorned, and deranged. And to your wondering eyes disappears Miss Jack's little friends. The ghost dog reigned here. Nothing here was forgotten. It all grew so pleasant. A coffee, Jack says, makes a fine Christmas present. Life makes a wonderful ring. As long as it does, get caught in its teeth. Jack's holiday vision was unlike no other. So ring out the bells, there's more cheer to uncover.
Six mystic mirrors reflecting futures yet to be. On the 5th day of Christmas, my good love gave to me.
Please remain seated in your black Christmas sleigh. We will continue your holiday tour. Moment.
To spin their rich and golden song. 3 lifelines extending help to those in need. 2 passion potions that love and romance may succeed. On the 1st day of Christmas, my good love gave to me a star, a brilliant star for my fortune card tree. On the 13th day of Christmas,
Are you ready to resume your visit? We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all.
zodiac that rule the future and transcend. 11 candles floating, excited mystery.
With some tricks and some games, you can make a scene merry. Why, even a gingerbread house could seem scary. All at once, your hearts did materialize. I can vision my love eyes. Jack had slung on his back. They were strange and bizarre. On the attack.
I have a special present just for you. Happy holidays, everyone!
Hurry back. Be sure to bring your Santa Claus sack. I'll be waiting to open my Christmas present. Hurry back. Hurry back.